Okay, so today is the second day, the start of the second day of working on my son's 1997 Altima. I bought this on Craigslist and bought it cheap, so expecting a lot of problems, and it does have a lot of problems. Yesterday we replaced the fuel pump, and that got the car running. That was the main problem with the car, is it would run sometimes, it wouldn't other times, and it turned out to be bad connection in the fuel pump. But I went ahead and replaced it because it was rusted up really bad. So the fuel pump goes right there. I have another video showing how to attach the fuel sending unit, which I don't have. It's not available anywhere except for China, and I have ordered one. I don't know if I'm ever going to get it though. Sometimes I don't get things, I have to order it again. But that's where we are today. I'm going to be reinstalling the seats, rear seats for this, and doing some cleanup in here, and then I'll be doing the valve cover gaskets. Beyond that, I don't know what I'll be doing.